Introduce highlight features and quick overview of ALORAIR PureAiro HEPA Pro 770 Industrial Air Scrubber, 3-stage filtration system, GFCI Outlet. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Filtration System, ALORAIR PureAiro HEPA Pro 770 Air Scrubber built with variable speed as a portable HEPA air scrubber. It can be used with up to 3 levels of filtration, pre-filters, activated carbon/HEPA filters. Features: it is a bigger air intake than any competitor's units. This air scrubber has a filters change light, an hour meter display, a daisy chain GFCI duplex, stackable, and variable speed control and regulator. These features allow you to keep track of the conditions of your work environment. Inlet 14-inch. Outlet 8-inch. And convenient, PureAiro HEPA Pro 770 in small size, makes it easy to move from one room to the next, and the system is stackable and made from roto-molded plastic for maximum durability. And reliable ALORAIR PureAiro HEPA Pro 770 air scrubber ideal for home repair and construction sites, sewage remediation, water and fire damage restoration. This separately sold filter is perfect for a salon or print shop. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.